Hey guys, it's Christina. How's it going? So last week I went in and started setting up my classroom, and so I just thought I would show you a week of getting my room ready just for a few hours every day. So hey guys, just about to head to the school. This is my first time back since the summer, so we'll see how it goes. In the back of the room, you'll see a bunch of stuff I moved from my last classroom at the end of last year. And the first step I decided was just to unpack some of that, like the key items, the items I knew exactly where they would go. I decided to start with that. I found some of my old stuff because this used to be my classroom several years ago, so that was fun. But the first big project I decided to do was organizing the books, and they were organized by color already, so I decided to keep that going. I just loved it. The books are done. And I had a few extra that wouldn't fit, so I'll have to figure out what to do. I'm always thinking about getting like another little shelf, maybe right here or something. I don't know, I gotta think about that. And this is how far along I've gotten today. I basically have tons of stuff out, but it's organized. That stuff I plan on hanging up, magnets, letters, files, supplies. I need to do all the picture books, get all that figured out. All my stuff. These are my things up here. And then these were left in here from last year from my friend. So yeah, that's about how far I've gotten today. It was a pretty good first day. You can kind of see before and after. I look all worn out now, but yeah, I probably spent like 3.5 hours today, and I feel like I got a lot of organizing done. I definitely have a lot to do, but I will be back tomorrow and Wednesday, and we'll see how much I can get done. Besides going through and organizing my cupboards and all the supplies, I also wanted to really get my bulletin boards going and get some paper up, especially because I never know if there's going to be enough of a certain color, and so I try to do that pretty early on. Okay, the paper's up. I just need to go through the outlets and cut them out so I could use them. First thing I do is make some little indentations where the outlet is, and then I'll cut on those lines. Next, I'm going to get out a bunch of these lanterns. I'm trying to get the right colors for the scheme I'm going for, and then put them up. Basically, I take this, which goes inside of the lantern, and I just attach a magnet to it. So when it's on it, I just attach it up there to the wall, just like that. And right here, you will see my battery starting to die. So. First of all, I love this garland that I got from Amazon. Just so beautiful. I love the bright colors. But just so you know, these first 4 days that I'm showing you, I just did a lot of reorganizing. So I took some items out of the cupboards, I put some of my things in, and just reorganized everything so I could find it easily. I used these bins to basically get organized. I would put my things and the things from the cupboards into these bins. So I knew what I was working with, and I think that was really helpful. I had some more things come from Amazon that I took into the school. And I decided to start working on the borders of my bulletin boards. I hung up the garland so I could just see all the colors and make sure everything was coming together. So I just randomly put it there for just a little while. So this was about 2 weeks before school. This first week was all organizing and laying out a foundation for like the decor. And then the next week, I'll basically do a lot of finishing touches on the bulletin boards and decor. So this is like the big organizing and setting things up week. But I would highly recommend, if you're coming into a new room, taking everything out and reorganizing it the way you want it so you find it easier. That's just what I typically like to do. It's a lot of work though. That is about how much I got done the first 4 days. A lot of organizing. I didn't want to show you more because I want you to stay tuned for my classroom tour. Okay guys, that was 1 week of me setting up my classroom. I hope it just gave you an idea of some of the things I typically do when I first get into my room and start setting things up. So if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't, and thank you so much for watching.